Here's the question. Can I share a YouTube video on LinkedIn? And if so, what's the best way to do it? I'm going to show you how in this video. Well, here's a video I've got right here. That's one of my videos, and it's about this new custom button on LinkedIn profiles for premium accounts. And I want to share that on LinkedIn because I think some of my network can get a benefit from seeing it. It's got 19 views in the last 2 days, and I know there's a lot more people who would benefit from seeing it. So here's 2 ways to grab this video off of YouTube. The easiest way for me is just to go up here in the address bar, click in it one time and hit Control or Command C and copy the URL. Now YouTube wants you to come down here and hit the share button. And when you hit the share button, you can copy the URL right here. And it wants to say featured equals shared, but it wants you to grab that right there. But you don't have to. You can just simply go up here and click on the URL, and do a Command or Control C. Now, let's go to LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, I'm going to refresh my screen here. It's this easy. Click in Start a Post. Now, I recommend you hit Enter twice, and then you Control or Command V, and you paste that URL. And when you hit the space bar, just wait for a moment. It's going to show you the video. Make sure it looks how you expect it to look. Then you come back up top where I had you hit Enter twice, and you tell the viewer why you want them to view this video, why they should view this video. Give them some reason. Tell them why it's important, how it can benefit them, how they can get value from it. Tell them what value you got from it or how it made you think. Whatever the words are, tell the viewer why they should view this video. And then maybe what you want to do is come down here and put some hashtags, new feature, premium feature. Maybe you want to, whatever the hashtags are that are relevant to this video, you put those hashtags in there. Be very purposeful about using 3 to 6 hashtags. Then, I'm just telling you here, I didn't say what I want to say here about this video. Once you tell them why they should view this video, you drop the link in there, you make sure it looks the way you want it to look. Now you can hit the post button. But once you hit that post button, stop, don't move. Maybe you want to click on See More because you want to look at the post that you just made before you move, before you go anywhere else, and make sure you didn't have a ridiculous typo in there. Make sure that you use the hashtags you want to use and make sure it looks how you expect it to look. Because once you move off of this page and you come back, that goes away and you will never see your post in your newsfeed again. In order for you to go see it now, you're going to have to go to your profile and go to Posts and Activities. And then in Posts and Activities, you will be able to see there's that post you made for others. Bottom line is, grab the URL of the video, the easiest way for you. Go to the home page of LinkedIn or go to your company page or go to a group, wherever you want to post it. Click on Create a New Post. Paste the video URL in there, and then on the top of that, tell the viewer why you're sharing this video with them. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator dude. I hope this is helpful for you.